Welcome back to the channel, and we are covering Elexir Finance once again. Before we do go any further, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest where you are willing to lose. So we do in fact actually have the DEX launch of Elexir coming out today. It is 6 PM launching on Trader Joe. And do they have a link going straight to it? Oh no, it's just a Google Calendar. So that is happening at 6 PM, but we also have Ignition Month. So this is pretty cool for streakers with Cauldron. So I did a video yesterday about the streaks, and yeah, Ignition Month rewarding early holders. Reveal your Cauldrons and get a chance to gain one of 3 superpowers that will boost your Cauldron and increase its scarcity. 20,000 USDC lottery. Get a chance to become one of the richest wizards in town by winning the Ignition lottery, and whitelist spot wizard NFT. So how do you participate in this? You need to reach 30 flame streak. We can see I'm sitting on 2. We're getting there. Each 30 streak Cauldron will be revealable, so I guess your Cauldron will reveal into its own unique NFT. You will get 1 entry into the lottery. The more entries, the better your chances. And you'll get 1 entry into the NFT whitelist. So I believe this is actually for the wizard NFT. So you will get a chance to be the whitelisted for this, which would be pretty good. And the snapshot is taken today until the 31st of March. So yeah, pretty much don't claim your Cauldron until you hit that 30-day streak. And as you can see at the bottom, hodl and win. But now, moving forward to looking at the DEX launch today. So again, it's at 6 PM. Very exciting. It's probably going to get botted, but we'll just have to see what happens. I believe the start price for Elexir on the DEX launch will be at $6, the same as the initial public sale. But now, if you saw my video yesterday, the floor price of a Cauldron was sitting around, I think, 7 or 8 AVAX. Right now, it is at 9.5, which is pretty insane. But we can do some quick maths and work out the current price. So again, a Cauldron would cost you 40 Elexir. So if we take the floor price of 9.5 and divide it by 40, it is 0.2375 AVAX per Elexir. And the current price of AVAX has dropped a bit, but we're sitting at 72.85. So if we times that by 72.85, this means at the current floor price now, you could buy the Elexir token for $17.30. So right now, watching this video, if you believe that the price of Elexir will skyrocket higher than $17.30, it would be worth you buying a Cauldron now, because again, the floor price will probably rise if the value of Elexir goes through the roof. Again, the DEX launch is going on Trader Joe. I believe it will start at $6, but I reckon it's going to get completely botted because again, it's already worth $17 right now. So anything between that difference is going to go straight away. And then you'll be looking to see where the price goes, to be honest. Remember though, this is not financial advice. Please only invest what you are willing to lose and do your own research. I might look to get a little bit more Elexir because I actually want to buy another cookbook. Well, I've got 2, so I can probably buy a cookbook. I might look to get 1 Cauldron, or I might just keep holding it and compounding my current one. But I guess I'll be there at 6 o'clock. Try and get in under this price. Like if I can buy Elexir for like $10, I'll be happy with that. We'll try and see. But I reckon we're going to go through the roof. Again, it's not financial advice, but I reckon Elexir is going to be over $25 probably. But yeah, I would recommend following them on Twitter and drop me a follow at DeFi Jamie. I'll be tweeting out any whitelist giveaways I have, or just any news regarding this before the DEX launch goes live. So make sure to drop me a follow. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video.